Where are your relatives?
1 minute remaining.
You are going to stand at the end of the line because you're going to be facing that. Okay? And you
better hurry
facing your
up.
relatives because you're going to have a falcon on your heads. Okay? The hat.
There we go,
Also, ejercicio. This is a falcon and the hats are to protect your head because they have very sharpened claws. These are for killing the prey. You are not the prey, so they are not going to put pressure on it because there is no cat on earth that is going to save you from the cows if they start making pressure. If you like this, you can clap, you give us your applause, and we are going to repeat it. Okay? Vamos a vuelta una vez más. And we are going to finish with him. The photograph is done. Yeah.
I'm almost up.
Terminamos, Fernando. Thank you very much. Go back to your seats. Did you like the videos?